Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your mortgage off faster. Coming up. Hey everybody, this is Frankv Villanueva, your real estate advisor, and today I'm going to show you how to pay your mortgage off more quickly. In this video, I'll be using an amortization calculator through bankrate.com to show you the effect of additional principal payments have on the lifespan of your loan. Many of my clients find this super useful. However, I always advise you check with your tax specialist to make sure that extra payments will be a good strategy for you. All right, so let's jump into it.
Let's go to bankrate.com. From here, I want you to go to Mortgage tab, go down to Calculators, and go to Amortization Calculator. Here it'll break down your mortgage amount, the term of the mortgage, your interest rate. The two most important ones I want to show you is the Show Amortization Schedule, and let's add extra payments. All right, so just for an example, I'm going to do $1 million mortgage. 30-year fix, let's do 4% interest rate. Let's calculate it. So your monthly payments will be $4,774.15. I want you to do is go show your amortization schedule. You can do this with your own numbers. And it's going to break down what's going to what every monthly payment. So I'm not sure if you know this, but in the beginning of the loan, the way bank structure is, majority of your payments going to interest. Look at here. So $3,333.33 go to interest, and then your principal $1,440. So what we want to do is we want to pay an extra payment every year, or however often you want to pay off your principal down quicker. So as of now, we got to go down. Your mortgage is going to even out. There we go. August 2032. So it's almost 50-50. You're paying half toward your principal, half toward your interest. So what I want to do is show you when your mortgage will be fully paid off. And that's 2049. All right, so let's go all the way up. And let's play with this thing. All right, I'm going to make an extra payment. So our mortgage payment is $4,774, I believe. Yep. So let's just say you got a bonus, $5,000 every year. Again, you're paying it off. It's going to be paid off in 2049. Here we are, 2045. So making an extra $5,000 payment a year, knocked off 4 years off your mortgage. So let's scroll down and see where it evens out. There we go, April 2030. All right, without any extra payment, you're paying it off at the midway was around 2032. So let's say you even have more. Let's say you have $10,000 every year to knock it out. All right, your mortgage drops down to, instead of 2049, it goes down to 2042. So you knock off 7 years off your mortgage. Let's look at the midway point. You're paying half and half again. You're like around July, here we go. July 2028. Again, without a mortgage payment, extra payments 2032. If you do 5,000, it was in, what was it, 2030, another 2 years.
So go ahead and run different scenarios with this calculator, put your information in there, and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, is this helpful for you? Hopefully you can save some money down the line. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out any future content, and like this video below.